Big Cat Rescue may be known for our lions and tigers, but we are passionate about our little cats too. Big Cat Rescue is one of the largest accredited sanctuaries in the world for abused, neglected, and abandoned exotic cats. Located in Tampa, Florida, we are the permanent home to about 80 tigers, lions, leopards, bobcats, and other exotic cats. But Big Cat Rescue loves all cats. Our compassionate advocacy extends to foster kittens. 3 years ago, we established a partnership with our local humane society, the Humane Society of Tampa Bay, to foster domestic kittens that constantly arrive on their doorstep. We take in the tiny kittens that they do not have the ability to care for around the clock. This includes mommy cats with babies, bottle feeder kittens without mommies, kittens under 2 pounds, and feral kittens that need to be socialized. Big Cat Rescue's amazing interns, who live on property and adore kittens, care for the kittens from the time they arrive to the time they are brought back to the Humane Society for adoption. That is a lot of love, nurturing, care, and socializing. When the kittens are old enough to have their first vaccines and have passed the SNAP test, they spend their days in our Kitten Cabana while the interns are working at the sanctuary. Our volunteers, interns, and staff play and socialize with the kittens because friendly kittens have a better chance of being adopted. It's a lot of work, but we wouldn't change it for the world. We've saved over 300 kittens so far, and we're just getting started. If Big Cat Rescue is lucky enough to be selected for Pet Partners Animaltarian of the Year award, we will use the $5,000 prize to continue to provide our kittens with food, formula, nursing supplies, litter, crates, carriers, soft blankets, bottles, toys, cat trees, catnip, heating pads, scales, nebulizers, and emergency care. Thank you for watching our video, and please vote for Big Cat Rescue.